Open your gift. What is that?
Yes. 3D.
3D?
3D, yes.
That's awesome, huh?
Yes.
That's a lot better than the one that you have.
One more.
What is it?
Show it to us.
Kitty!
Wow. What do you say?
Thank you, Mommy. Get the bag.
Yeah, Mom keeps this stuff.
Not after the dog ate it.
She didn't eat it.
Yay!
Look at all that stuff you got.